Welcome back to Appetite for the Outdoors. I'm Jason with Carolina Cooker. Today we're doing some pan-fried crappie. We got our 10-inch Carolina Cooker aluminum frying pan here. We're also going to make up a quick tartar sauce for you. So we're going to get the oil heated up and dredge the crappie. While our oil is heating up, we'll go ahead and whip this tartar sauce up really quick. I'm going to start with our mayonnaise. Add that to the bowl. Next going in will be our lemon juice, then our dill pickle, and our fresh dill chopped. Last, our Southern Sunshine grilling sauce. That's going to take the place of mustard, so I'll go ahead and get this mixed up. Now we're going to prep our dredge, so I'm going to add this flour into the plate. And I'm going to top that flour with some of our seafood seasoning, mix that together with a fork, get it all incorporated. We're going to take our crappie now, get it in our dredge. Got this on a plate here. If you're out in the field and need this done, you can do it in a Ziploc bag. Okay, oil's nice and hot. We've got our crappie dredge. We're gonna lay these in. Just make sure you lay them away from you. Gonna make sure we keep our oil at around 325. And keep an eye on these, maybe 2 minutes each side, and then we'll pull them. Okay, a couple minutes on this second side. Our crappie's ready to come out of the pan. They're nice, quick, easy pan-fried crappie. Some nice tartar sauce to go with it. I'm Jason with Carolina Cooker, and let us help you navigate all the seasons, both in the kitchen and in the field.